Alhamdulillah, thumma salatu wa salamu ala rasulillah wa ala ahlihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Fassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So inshallah today we are going to be making our ad creative and our ad copy. So what is a ad creative? So a ad creative is the image or the video you are going to be using to advertise on Facebook. Whereas the ad copy is the text that you are going to write describing what the product you're advertising is all about. So for ad creative, there are two types. We have the image ad creative and we have the video ad creative. So the image is just a flat image, while the video is going to require you to record or design a video that talks about the features of the product. So both of them have one or two advantage over the other. For the image, anyone who sees it, immediately they see it in few seconds, less than 3 seconds, they know what it's all about. And if they're interested, they are going to click. So usually image performs better for things that you can easily just put. For example, you're selling a watch. Anybody that sees that is a watch knows it's a watch, and if they like it, they're going to go for it. Unlike a video, it has to do with things that has a lot of features that you want to explain or use cases. So usually the thing for videos is that when you create a video, if the first 3 seconds is not catchy enough, people might not actually continue with the video, even if it's something they like or they need. So, however, both it's always good to test both of them and actually work with what works best. So now that we understand the idea behind image and video ad creatives, so we're going to proceed to creating one. So for us to create our ad creative, we would need Canva account. So a Canva Pro account is usually best. So if you don't have a Canva Pro account, Allow Dollars has a Canva Pro account and we've shared the login with everyone. So you can always access the login in the description. So whereby you can access the pro features. But all you need to do is to make sure that you have your own folder created. So when you have your own folder created by your name, all your designs, you'll be putting them in that folder. So you need to be looking for your designs. So we'll be needing Alibaba, just the way we used Alibaba, the images we got from Alibaba the other time. We can also get images from Alibaba. The same thing with AliExpress. We'll also be using YouTube Shorts too and TikTok. So YouTube and TikTok, especially when we are creating video creatives, they are very good places to find videos that one can use for your ads. Now that we understand all of that, so we're going to head to Canva to proceed with our designs. So just go to canva.com. So once you get to canva.com, you search for Instagram post. So we want the square post, Instagram square. So that's what we're interested. So once we have it, you create a blank. So once we have our blank design, the very next thing we need to do is go to our images that we got from Alibaba. So this looks like a good one. So anyone who sees it knows that. So the next thing I want to do is give it a background, a black background, and I remove this background too. So if I click on edit image, remove background. So the last thing I want to do is I want to add text. So now that we are done with the image creative, so we would also need to do the video creative. So just as I've said, it's a good idea to test both the image and the video creatives, and we'll let the data guide us. So in as much as from experience, image perform, there are sometimes that videos will actually also outrank image. So what we're going to do is we're going to now come to Alibaba. So in my case, I just picked the random product. It's not the exact product we actually worked on, but I just want to use it to show you. So this is the product. So once you have the Ali Save extension, it will be easy for you to download. You just click on product to download here. So product video. Once you click on it, it's going to download it. So you can see it has downloaded it. So it's quite straightforward. For the same thing applies to AliExpress too. So with this Ali Media, you can actually download both video and images. So the next one is YouTube. So for YouTube, so this is a video. Let's say this is the video we want to download.
And we're back. The team is looking down the barrel.
So let's skip this. So what you need to do is just copy the link of the video, and then you come to, let's put a save from. So this is it. So when you go to save from, you paste the link. So and with that, you'll be able to download the video. So you can see this is the video. So you choose the quality. So I click on download. You can see. So I chose 720 because I pixel. So the last one is TikTok. So the same thing applies. So for TikTok and YouTube, a good idea is whenever you see a product on Facebook and you check for it on Alibaba or AliExpress, and that place you can also check for it on is TikTok. And what you are looking out for is the one that has high amount of it. Look at this product now. It's similar to what we want to sell. We can see it has 24 million views. It means that it has a lot of engagement. And there's high likely that if you go for the product, you too, you are likely to have sales. So this is likely to be a good product. So you can do research on it and you work on the product. But that's not what we want to do here. So what I'm just trying to say basically is if you click on this video specifically, you can also download it too. All you need to do is right click and click on download video, and it's going to download the video. So I've shown you how to download all from all of these platforms. So once you're done downloading it, what we want to do is we want to resize it to be in square shape. So once it's in square shape, and we'll need Canva to be able to do that. So we'll go back to our Canva. So we are now at our Canva. So this is the first image we designed. So we can just duplicate it, and in our case, we can delete this. We can delete this, and we're going to go and take our the videos we downloaded. So this is the video. Let's say this is the video we want to use. Just take any of them and you drag them into your Canva.
Who wants an earbuds with their smartwatch?
So you adjust the size such that it's square, and you try to ensure that the product is what is at the center all through the video, so you can see. So you delete this. So, and we have our image and we have our video. So what we're going to do is we're going to now download them. So for our image, we'll download our image, download, we'll select just page 1 because that's image, done, and we ensure it's PNG and we download it. So we'll call it image. Let's just call it maybe smartwatch image. So then we are going to also download the second one. So download. This time we are going to select page 2, and it's not going to be PNG now. It's going to be MP4. So it's saying that it's still processing the video. So it might, once it's done processing the video, it will be available. So you might need to hold on and go back to download it. So really, that's how you are going to download it. So once you're done downloading it, we are going to then go ahead to create our ad copy. So just as I've said, your ad creative is the image or the video. So while the ad copy is the text, that text that you're going to write on it is the ad copy. So we're going to proceed to the ad copy now. So by the time we're done with the ad copy, this video should be ready and we'll just download it. So we'll use it to run our ads in the subsequent video. So, okay, the video is available now. So let's just download it. So the second page, you'll click on download. It's taking a while, so we'll load on. Okay, so the video is ready. So we'll call it smart watch video. So we have our image and we have our video creative ready. So with these two now, we are good to go for our ad creative. So the next thing we need to do is to work on our ad copy. For our ad copy, we'll be using ChatGPT to create it. So we'll go to chat.openai.com. So this is it, chat.openai.com. That's ChatGPT. Once we get there, so we're going to paste this. So I've written this prompt. The prompt is write an engaging ad copy for this product with listicles and emojis as bullets. So the product name and features. So depending on what your product name is, you just put your product name in and you're going to put the features. For the features, where you're going to get the features is in your Alibaba, the Alibaba for that product. You see the features there. As for the product name is whatever product name you want to call it. So usually I advise that don't use the name that you have on Alibaba or AliExpress for the product. Use another name such that when they search for it, they won't find it online. So it looks like you are the only one selling it. So in that case, so what you're going to search, in my case, We can call it 2-in-1 smartwatch with inbuilt earbuds. So for the features of the products, we're going to go to Alibaba. So once you scroll down under these key attributes features, so under the function, you see all the features. So these are other features of the product. So, but these are the key functions. So you're going to just copy all of these functions. You copy it here. Then we'll come back to our ChatGPT and we paste it. So I will send it to it. So this is the hard copy. You can see it's a nice one. So we have our hard copy ready. So we're going to copy this and we're going to we'll be needing it when let me just copy it. So we'll copy it. So when we get to the next video, when we are going to be setting up our ads, so we'll be needing all of this, both our ad copy and our ad creative. So we ask that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes it better understood and said, and He forgives us our shortcomings. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdik, nashhadu an la ilaha illa ant, wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.